Ready to unlock a whole new dimension of your Nintendo Switch by changing the language? Let's dive right in. From the Nintendo Switch home screen, navigate down to System Settings. It's the icon that looks like a gear or cog. Go ahead and select it. Okay, you're in System Settings now. Scroll down through the list on the left-hand side until you find System. It's usually towards the bottom of the list. Found System. Great, now select it. In the System submenu, you should see an option labeled Language. It may be indicated by an icon of the letter with a globe behind it. Choose Language. This screen displays all the available languages for your Nintendo Switch. Scroll through the list and carefully select your desired language. Tap or click on the language you want to use. After you select your language, the Nintendo Switch will automatically update the system language. You might see a brief loading screen. And that's it. Your Nintendo Switch is now operating in your chosen language. Explore the menus and enjoy a more personalized and intuitive gaming experience. Now you can game on with ease, no matter what language you prefer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful Nintendo Switch tips and tricks.